Hello, long time no see in the vlogs. I am back with one vlog. I don't know about others. Please don't mind the mess. I am in a mess, Abhi. So it's 5 and I have to leave at 6 for my, bus. What was this? So, itna kalera bacha hua hai. Okay. So I have to pack my bag. मैं अभी फिल्म कर रही थी वीडियोस बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू मिस अपलोडिंग दिस. आई लव अच्छा चल रहा है, आई एम अपलोडिंग फ्रीक्वेंटली, सो आई वांट दैट. So I'm gonna do the packing, and abhi I'm gonna pack few things in my handbag. Let me just show you the handbag I'll be taking. This is the handbag that I'll be taking. I know, not really travel appropriate, but we're gonna roll it, okay? So I'm gonna keep these stuff. I just filmed a video travel makeup bag pe. I'm gonna upload it on the way, that's not an issue. So I'm gonna keep this and remove my makeup, do the packing. इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा because I actually know क्या क्या रखना है. So मुझे just I have to keep them in bag. So yeah. Okay, so I have reached, and I'm still not comfortable filming in public places, but yeah, it's like I feel like this is my go-to place now. I'll show you, but अभी hotel में early check-in available नहीं है, so I'm going to my favorite restaurant to have not this cutie, to have something. So yeah, let's see. So मैंने अभी abruptly इसलिए काट दिया था because I saw a girl coming and she was noticing me and she just said that was too cute. She just said that it is a very nice handbag, the handbag which I'm carrying. So it's good to appreciate people. You can see पहाड़ is my happy place, I feel like. So अभी मैं जा रही हूँ, वहाँ के momos is too good. So yeah, let's see what happens. अभी क्या करते हैं, 3-4 घंटे हमारे पे. So I am at the place. Let me show you. This is like a home cafe, but यहाँ के momos is too good. So I'm gonna have that. I just washed face. I'll just wash my face and do basic stuff. And then let's wait. We have like 2 hours and it's so pretty right here. इधर आ. हाँ, ये लिया. See if this is open. Healing studio. We'll try something new. वो भी नहीं खुला है and nothing is open literally अभी. Like बहुत सारे cafes भी नहीं हैं. So I'm thinking of going to my hotel only. Yes, I'm thinking कर ही लेते हैं because वहाँ पे ना उनका भी कैफ़े है in house. So I'll just sit there because यहाँ any which way अभी कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. So yeah, let's go. So finally I am in the room. I was just sitting in the cafe जो इनके in hotel cafe है. Yeah, I was just sitting in the cafe and I had like one sand. I didn't have something. Yeah, I only had momos and chai. So yeah, I am thinking of taking a choti si nap, but I know that nap will get converted into 8 hours sleep, so I won't be taking that. So yeah, let me just give you a room tour. बहुत छोटा सा cute सा है, but still I will give it later. We enter from here. These are my shoes. These are some hangers. This is me, a very cute mirror, cutesy. This is a bed. Bed is very comfortable. A table chair, washroom, and here's the view. I requested भैया कि मुझे ऊपर वाला room देना, and he did that. And here we go. Here we go. This is the view that we have. Love it. So, what are we planning to do today? I am gonna go to a meditation center. I really wanted to try that one. I also want to go to Bajnath temple. There's a temple here. उसके लिए toy train जाती है. So I want to experience toy train experience भी and temple visit भी हो जाएगी. That I'm keeping for tomorrow. Temple visit. Today my main focus is meditation center. I really want to try this, and there is one waterfall. I have to ask locals for that. There is one waterfall. So these two things I'm gonna keep for today. अभी 11 भी नहीं बजे हैं. I will leave the room at 11:30 12. तब तक I'm just gonna lay down for a while because I'm very मतलब मेरी पूरी जो बॉडी है ना that's very अकड़ी हुई. So I'll just take थोड़ा सा रेस्ट and फ़ोन भी चार्ज करना है. So I have to do that too. So yeah, see you in an hour when I'll be done with my shower. मैं अपनी स्किन केयर कर रही हूँ and then I'll see you. Hello, I have taken a shower. My hair got wet, so I'm just gonna do my skincare because I just remember मैंने कल शाम का skincare किया हुआ and I feel like ew. So even though I don't have any makeup on, I just had lipstick on, वो भी चली गई है. I still am gonna take some of the cleansing oil, and to be honest I am liking the solo trip vibe. I don't know why. I was feeling like कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. I feel like I'm alone and all. I feel like कि मैंने अपनी अभी लास्ट वीडियो में बोली थी, when you start doing the things you want you to do, your respect will grow. And I feel like when you listen to your gut, you are at peace. So I don't know why I'm talking about this here. And my face is now damp. I'm gonna use my trusty Neutrogena face wash. I'm obsessed with this. You just need this one and this. I am also going to film a makeup tutorial because I really wanted to do it for such a long time. I still remember I used to visualize this when I'll be on a solo trip. I'll do that, get ready with me in a solo trip type kind of video. So I thought, why not, let's do skincare here and we will do our whatever, get ready with makeup. I am gonna wear a full face of makeup because again I like it and that's enough. So I feel like when you actually start doing the things, you पता कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम ये चीज़ नहीं करते because हमें ऐसा लगता है कि is it valid enough? Yeah, it does happen to me. Is it valid enough? But even if it isn't, it is your life ना. तो अगर तुम्हारे लिए valid है तो तुम करो. So yeah, I was just doing some and I also started reading one book. I think I showed you guys. It's Manifest. So yeah, let me just wash. It's called Manifest and मैंने पढ़ा अभी वो because I had some time अभी तो नहीं, अभी आकर मैं लेट गई थी बस आधा घंटा and I was just what would I say that I was just analyzing my thoughts and not let it overpower me. So yeah, next up, toner. I'm gonna take a lot of it because Lord knows I need hydration. अभी like 11:15 टाइप टाइम हुआ. So I'm द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट सोलो ट्रिप इज तुम्हें जब निकलना है तुम तब निकलो, एंड तुम्हें जब जो करना है तुम तब वो करो. एंड या the toner is very hydrating. I even made a shot about it and it's not blended here. Let me do it. Okay, now I have started inculcating vitamin C, but obviously मैं serum लेके आती फिर moisturizer लेके आती. So I got this Foxtail vitamin C. This was actually a gift from a friend. So yeah, I'm gonna take थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा amount because my skin is feeling dry. Even though I will be applying sunscreen afterwards, but ये ना थोड़ी मैट भी नहीं कहूँगी, मतलब it's not glowy वाली ना, ज़्यादा moisturization नहीं है इसके अंदर. So I think I'm gonna like it in winters, but it has vitamin C. That's really nice. It smells nice and actually I feel like Foxtail काफ़ी अच्छे products निकाल रहा है आजकल. This glow is with tilted toner. Lights on, I guess. Sorry, on. But it's not bad, na lightning. I am using this Deconstruct sunscreen. Sample size. इतना sun नहीं है, but still I'm gonna apply it. I'm just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. घर से वीडियो कॉल्स आ रही हैं तो वो उठाएंगे पहले, एंड देन आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स आई विल डू माई मेकअप. सबसे पहले तो मेरे यहाँ पे ना जून 16 कैफे है, वहाँ के केक्स इज टॉप नॉच and I really want to have cheese omelette too, so I'll have that too. And this is the thing that I wanted to show you. Let me show you. ये सिलिकॉन टाइप स्टिकर्स हैं जो मैंने मंगवाए थे, and it's like really nice. बहुत हैंडी आ रहे हैं मुझे ये कंटेंट बनाने के लिए. So yeah, मैं मेकअप करके मिलती हूँ जब आई प्रोबेबली बी हैविंग एन ऑमलेट. सो या, सी यू देयर. वी हैव डन आवर मेकअप. वीडियो पे फिल्म हो चुकी है, काफ़ी छोटी सी वीडियो थी बिकॉज इतना कुछ करा नहीं है, मतलब करा भी है बट हो गई, मतलब ठीक है, इतनी भी लंबी नहीं है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना लीव नाउ. आई एम गोना हैव समथिंग यहाँ पे एंड वील हेड चिल करने के लिए. I have had the cheese omelette और इतना tasty था. It was so delicious. Now I'm gonna थोड़ा सा walk करूँगी मैं पहले and फिर meditation center पे जाएंगे. But उससे पहले जून 16 cafe है. They have like amazing cakes. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. So the cafe that I saw, so meditation अब नहीं हो रही है, अब कहीं और जाना पड़ेगा. But I really want to do एक meditation workshop, ऐसी कोई चीज़. So let's see, कुछ तो ढूंढेंगे. I'm literally just walking by the mountains and it's so pretty and I'm so enjoying this. So I feel like I'm gonna walk a lot today and let's find some meditation centers, but enjoying the walking truly. Okay, so बहुत टाइम हो चुका है since I filmed and I did nothing. I was just roaming here and there. I had my lunch at a very small cafe. I had chicken rice. And at around 2:33 I came back because now मुझे meditation का कुछ मिल रहा था and मुझे temple visit कल के लिए छोड़नी थी because I have to leave the hotel by 12ish and मुझे 12 to 6 like कुछ चाहिए करने को, तो मैं temple visit करके लिए छोड़ी है. Not complaining, I was just chilling at my room and just I slept for a while. Now I'm going to the in-house cafe. मैं बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ because it's dark and I don't want to go बाहर अभी. So yeah, ऐसा नहीं है कि खाना नहीं अच्छा, कैफ़े का खाना बहुत अच्छा है. So I'm gonna go down, have something. It's around 6 अभी and dinner में थोड़ी देर बात करूँगी and आकर बस मैं बुक पढ़ूँगी अपनी, which I might show you guys. सो आई रियली नीड टी. मेरा सर बहुत दर्द कर रहा है, मुझे चाय चाहिए. आई माइट हैव कॉफ़ी. सो या लेट्स सी. आई जस्ट डिड क्लेंजिंग एंड टोनिंग. सेम मॉइस्चराइजर फॉक्सटेल का. ऑल्दो आई डोंट यूज़ विटामिन सी रात में, मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है, लेकिन और कोई लाई नहीं. सो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लगाऊंगी क्योंकि टोनर इज़ वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. I'm going to go down and जब मैं बुक पढ़ूँ मैं दिखाऊंगी. What is this, you bhai? Hello, it's the next day, and to be honest, I did nothing. I just came back and I was just chilling because they have really in the house cafe. So yeah, I had why my voice is like that. So I had dinner, and after that I was just chilling, nothing else. So yeah, my eyes look a bit swollen. That's that. Okay. So I am gonna end the vlog right now because I don't feel like I'm gonna do anything abhi, because basically I was prepared for it, to be honest. You know, when you just go to chill at a place only, this was this place is like that to me. So I didn't want to do anything as such. So I just wanted to spend some time with myself. So that's that. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'm so sorry if you're looking for places, but I would not be keeping that in thumbnail or title whatsoever, so that I don't, mislead you guys. I came here just to chill, so I did that, and I will be doing that today till today's evening. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and take really good care of yourself. Bye.